Windows 11 is getting a small but very useful upgrade for personalization. Soon, you'll be able to use more image formats as desktop wallpapers, and one important new format is finally getting official support. Right now, Windows 11 already supports several desktop background formats. These include JPG, PNG, BMP, TIFF, HEIC, and even GIF files, although GIFs are static and don't animate without third-party apps. But Microsoft is now expanding this list. In recent Windows 11 preview builds, Microsoft has quietly added support for the WEBP image format as a desktop background. If you're running Windows 11 build 26220.7653 or newer, you can now set a WEBP image directly as your wallpaper by going to Background Settings. You can also right-click a WEBP image in File Explorer and choose Set as Desktop Background, just like JPG or PNG files. WEBP is a modern image format designed to be more efficient than JPG. It offers smaller file sizes, better image quality, transparency support, and even animation support. Because of these benefits, WEBP has become very popular on websites, and now Windows 11 is improving native support for it. Technically, stable versions of Windows 11 already allowed WEBP wallpapers, but only through indirect methods, like opening the image in the Photos app or third-party viewers. Microsoft is officially adding WEBP support inside Settings and File Explorer, making it easier and more user-friendly. As for bigger wallpaper changes, there are still rumors. Animated wallpapers and parallax effects have been discussed, but they are not yet available, even in the latest preview builds. So while this isn't a major feature update, it's a welcome improvement for customization lovers. If you use high-quality or web-optimized images, WEBP support in Windows 11 is a nice step forward.